Hi, here we come with a brand new video in which we are going to discuss how to earn money online without investment. Before the start of the video, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for new and interesting updates. Everything has been seen before. Make money online for free. Guarantees are made, but they're never genuinely free. Always be on the lookout for a catch or an upfront investment, and it's logical. The US Census Bureau reports that the nation is on course to break its previous record for the total number of the new company applications received in a calendar year by about 50%. We will demonstrate how to achieve that for you today. We'll examine 11 of the best ways to make money online in 2022 that don't require any investment from you and don't have any catch. Number 11. Start a virtual assistant business. A fantastic method to earn additional money online is to work as a virtual assistant if you have a talent for planning and organizing. The duties of a virtual assistant include managing social media accounts, responding to emails, and fielding phone calls on behalf of a company. The demand for virtual assistant services is rapidly rising as the number of the solopreneurs rises. Apply for employment on Upwork, Indeed, or virtual assistant jobs to get started. According to Indeed.com, VAs make an average of $19.36 per hour. By creating their brand and promoting it to business owners and startups, some virtual assistants have also achieved success. By setting up a Facebook business profile and dressing it up with content promoting your service, you may follow suit. You may share it anywhere on the internet, and creating one is free. Number 10. Conduct internet research. Can you efficiently use Google to find a certain piece of information? If so, there are many ways for you to earn money online for nothing. To identify the most pertinent and trustworthy sources of information for them. Many businesses in various industries employ online researchers to assist their clients in making wise business decisions. They then share that information with them. You only need a computer and internet access to apply to work on their projects. Number 9. Obtain audio and video files transcribed. Even while speech-to-text transcription can now be aided by artificial intelligence, this technology is still far from ideal. As a result, many businesses depend on transcriptionists to accurately translate the audio from films and spoken files into texts. You can commit to a part-time position with a business like Reeve or work as a freelancer for several businesses on the particular projects. Most employers allow you to determine your schedule and choose which tasks you work on. The best part is that using your computer's built-in speakers to transcribe requires no initial investment. You should improve your typing abilities if you wish to be a successful transcriber. Your writing must be free of errors and simple to understand for readers. Transcribing brief audio files can help you get comfortable and ready to apply for jobs with transcription businesses. Number 8. Create a Patreon page. A membership site called Patreon aids in the payment of creators and artists. Through this platform, users can pay a subscription fee to subscribe to projects. If you frequently produce music, podcasts, or videos and have a following, you may sign up for Patreon to allow your most ardent supporters to support you financially every month. You must provide your fans with something compelling to gain their support if you want to be successful on Patreon. This can entail including them in your creative process or providing only for them material. Check out some suggestions for prizes you can provide your platform fames. It costs nothing at all to sign up on Patreon. Once you begin earning, the corporation just gets a little portion. Number 7. Evaluate apps and websites. Reviewing websites for money is another free online income option. Some businesses compensate customers and give away things in exchange for online reviews. Other companies pay individuals to evaluate the effectiveness and quality of their websites. You typically look at the website's functioning and how quickly it loads when you review it. The market you work in and the testing techniques you employ will have an impact on how much money you make. If you're willing to conduct one-on-one testing sessions with clients via video conferencing, you will typically make more money. Number 6. Sign up for a referral program. Do you believe you possess the marketing skills necessary to effectively advertise things? Become an affiliate and promote goods, services, or brands on many platforms to earn commissions? You'll be given an affiliate link to share with others once you have been approved. You will be compensated when someone purchases the good or service after clicking your link, and you will also get credit for the referral. Basic products in the Amazon marketplace won't pay out much, but promoting digital services like site hosting may earn you hundreds or even thousands of dollars, depending on the affiliate program and the product being advertised. Contrary to what many people think, affiliate marketing does not depend on blog promotions to bring in money for a marketer. You may promote business and make money using your social media accounts such as Instagram and Facebook. Number 5. Start a YouTube channel. Ever considered starting a YouTube channel? These days, all you need is a smartphone to record amusing skits, product lessons, and unbox movies. Additionally, creating a YouTube channel is free. You can make a new channel with your name or a unique name on the YouTube by logging in using your Google account. You will have many chances to earn money if you have a YouTube channel. Once your channel has 1,000 members, you may start making money by displaying advertisements. To monetize your YouTube channel, you may also work with marketers to provide sponsored content, sell products, or sign up as an affiliate. Concentrating on a single niche is the secret to a successful YouTube channel. Whatever you believe would attract more views. You may post beauty lessons, tech product reviews, or a daily rundown of Bitcoin values. Number 4. Be a part of focus groups. Do you take pleasure in expressing to others your knowledge and opinions? Participate in for-profit market research project to earn $50 per hour or more? Focus groups are frequently used to learn how people feel about particular brands, goods, or concepts. Participants might also be questioned about their thoughts on goods or companies that compete with them. Focus groups can be held offline or online, but usually speaking, participation is free and participants are paid well. Number 3. Work as a travel agent online. Do you know where to look for the most affordable travel arrangements? Think about being a virtual travel agent and working from home. Planning vacations and other personal travel is paid service provided by travel agencies. Many people rely on travel agents to see the burden of the logistics of their trips because they can be daunting, connecting flights, lodging, sightseeing, excursions, etc. A particular certification is not required to work as an online travel agent. To organize a flawless vacation for your clients within your budget, you will require research and organization skills. You can collaborate with other businesses to receive savings that you can pass along to your customers. Number 2. Online photo sales. You can make some money by selling your photos to stock agencies. If you frequently take pictures or have a lot of photos on your hard drive, every time someone downloads one of your photos, you will get paid either a fixed sum or a percentage, depending on the stock picture website, a commission. Number 1. Provide consulting on social media. Know how to increase your Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest followings. Promote yourself as a social media consultant to sell your expertise. You will get contacted by brands for brainstorming, video production, and other tasks. For those with social media expertise, it's a fantastic opportunity to make money because you can utilize your current profile as your portfolio. Promote your portfolio on forums and organizations dedicated to digital marketing. A link should also be included in the outreach emails you send to organizations. Want some motivation? Look at the tale of the Lucas O'Keefe. His career began with a popular TikTok video, which developed into a full-fledged consultancy business, assisting brands in growing their social media followings. As we embrace 2022, there are more and more ways to make money online without investing any money of your own. You may become an affiliate, launch a YouTube channel, provide social media consulting, or sell your images on the websites like Etsy. Just a little time and effort are needed to reap the rewards of your labor. Did you like this video? Be sure to submit your answer in our comment section. Don't forget to subscribe us.